minention mo nga yung kanina, yung alcohol, smoking, walang exercise is also a risk factor, and being overweight. Those are all risk factors.
So, tigil natin yung wine night tuwing Friday.
Pwede naman, as long as naman, not too much. Ang for males, ang allowed is parang around 2 drinks per day is allowed. For women kasi mas yung metabolism niya, di ba? Parang 1 drink per day. Pero hindi naman kailangan sagad-sagarin mo. Kung let's say weekend lang naman, it should be
1 drink. Tapos 1 bottle pala.
Hindi, pinaghahatian naman po yun.
So, hindi naman ibig sabihin hindi ka naiinom ng alcohol. Pero iba naman
Kala ko may
mag-enjoy.
birthday.
Ano kung cheers? Toast. Yung parang sip lang.
Naka-G.
Pwede yun.
Oo, diba? Doc, sinasabi mong exam or test, ano to, stool lang ba?
Ayan, magandang tanong yan, Maan. Actually, dalawang test na pwedeng gamitin. Yung una, yung simple lang. Yung stool test. So, ang stool test, magano ka ng dumi, ang